Grayson County in north central Texas, Dallas County in north central Texas, Ellis County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, Vernon County in north central Texas, until 11 a.m. At 8 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Mansfield, Wildwood, Lewis, DeSoto, Grapevine, Cedar Hill, Olney, Carmel, Duncanville. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Do not enter or cross flowing water or water of unknown depth.